Hi, my name is Bosworth, and I am a research scientist at UCSD. My lab is called the Mind, Experience, and Perception Lab. I wanted to share with you some of the topics we study and the research methods we use. One topic we wonder about is how do babies and children learn language through the eyes? What does language development look like when it is visual instead of spoken? One way we do this is by recording where babies look when they watch sign language using eye tracking. In my lab, we record infants' eye gaze using an eye tracker while they're sitting in their parents' lap. We have incredible temporal and spatial resolution so that we are able to record exactly where the baby looks every few milliseconds. We make sure that the eye tracker is following the baby's gaze. As you can see, it is quite accurate. We wanted to know if babies are sensitive to the natural patterning of visual language. For this, we used fingerspelling videos. We tested babies who had never seen sign language before. The two sides are different, and most of you cannot see it, but babies can see this difference. Young babies prefer to look at the well-formed variant over the ill-formed variant. Now, this tells us that babies, very early in life, even without any exposure to sign language, have some innate sensitivity to the patterning of sign language. We also studied how adults watch sign language by showing them videos of narratives and recording their eye gaze. We see a really big difference in how novice signers and highly fluent signers watch these stories for the purpose of comprehension. Novice signers dart their eyes up and down quite a lot more than fluent signers, who seem to have a high focus on the lower part of the face. We also brought in children who grew up exposed to sign language because they have two deaf parents who use sign language in the home. Here's an example of one child watching a narrative in ASL. If we show the ASL videos to children who have never seen sign language before, the eye gaze moves around a lot. By studying how the eyes of baby, children, and adults behave during sign watching in real time, we can take a peek at language in the human mind from the very beginning of life and watch how language is learned and see how adults process language.